Hello everyone, welcome back. Mother's Day is around the corner, so let's celebrate mom in style. Here, I'm going to show you 4 simple, delicious cocktail ideas for mom this Mother's Day. Perfect for brunch, relaxation, or just showing mom some love. Whether she loves something tropical, fruity, or fizzy, there's something here for every kind of queen. So let's treat mom to something simple, sweet, and sippable. First up, our blushing mama. 2 ounces of vodka. 1 ounce of guava nectar. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. A splash of grenadine. Some ice. We are going to garnish. Our first Mother's Day drink, the blushing mama. Our next fabulous drink for mom is our Momosa Twist. 1 ounce of mango nectar. 2 ounces of orange juice. And our Prosecco or champagne. And this is our second drink, our Momosa Twist. Our next drink is our Momcolada, our spin on the pina colada. 3 ounces of frozen pineapple chunks. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. 1 ounce of coconut rum. I'm using the Bounty coconut rum. And 1 ounce of coconut cream or cream of coconut. To blend. was going to rim my glass with some coconut cream. And pour it into our glass. Garnish. And here we have it, our third drink, the Momcolada. Fourth and final Mother's Day cocktail idea is our Island Mama Mojito. Mint, lime, two ounces of white rum, Island white rum, 1 ounce of simple syrup, muddle, some pineapple, guava nectar, 1 ounce, top our glass with ice. Top with some club soda. Splash of grenadine. And this is it, our Island Mama Mojito. Simple, refreshing. And that's it, guys. A simple way to celebrate Mom this Mother's Day by making her these very simple and delicious cocktails. Our blushing mama, our mango flavored Momosa Twist, our Momcolada, and our classic Island Mama Mojito. We've come to the end of this video where we are celebrating moms. And guys, please celebrate your queen. Celebrate all the queens in your lives. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned as I bring you more flavorful videos. Until the next time, happy Mother's Day, all my queens.